Hi friends. The first thing what comes into mind when somebody clears his SSB or medicals, any kind of written exam or any kind of SSB, first thing what comes to our mind, यार किस सेंटर से बंदे ने क्लियर किया है. In fact, you might be seeing so many videos, wherein that thumbnail particularly specialize and specifies that, somebody got selected from so and so board. So guys, today's topic, it will be very short and crisp. So I would like you all to please listen to me carefully and please watch this whole video so that you do understand what I'm trying to say. Thing happens is I always say this, but still many times I find that people don't watch that and they just see half part of it and they try and judge things. So guys, please don't do that. It's a humble request that if I'm trying to tell you something, it's free of cost advice, so it's better that you listen to it. And if you feel like it's good, then please try and apply it. So guys, let's start and now let's talk about the SSB center. जब हम किसी SSB सेंटर की बात करते हैं, आपने बहुत जगह देखा होगा, especially guys who go for flying and like flying especially I'm talking about because बहुत ही limited number में है हमारे पास में, only 3 places it to happen. लेकिन once we are talking about other SSB, we are talking about other entries, so we have so many number of places where this SSB takes place, and for Army, Air Force and Navy, I'm talking about all 3. Especially you must have seen this guy got selected from so and so center, and down you will see that okay, that is a rejection center. So guys, do you really think is it a myth or is it a truth? So you have to compare and you have to keep this in mind. रीजन बीइंग कि हम जब भी किसी प्रोसेस के लिए जाते हैं तो वी जनरली मेक अप अ माइंडसेट. फर्स्ट जनरली इट कम्स अप if you hear from lot many people that I went for this and this SSB for so and so this SSB at this center and I got rejected. If you hear this from lot many people, first thought comes to our mind, or the taglines what we generally see, because many of us refer to so many channels, so many media, everything whatever is available to us, and we try and assess things beforehand and we see नहीं यार this center is very tough, यहाँ से सिर्फ 2-4 बंदे निकलते. तो guys मैं आपको सिर्फ एक चीज स्पेसिफाई कर दूं, every center has got the same pattern which is written down or laid down for the selection criteria. There is no separate criteria for any of for the particular selection center. It's not there. The base remains same. जब आपका बेस सेम है तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हो कि वहां पे ये वाले बंदे वहां पे सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए तो इसलिए वो जो है रिजेक्शन सेंटर हो गया. नाम लिख देते हैं ऐसा, एंड पीपल जनरली डू मेक अ टैगलाइन आउट ऑफ इट, द रिजेक्शन सेंटर, एंड somebody from any institute or something get selected over there. So that is just a way to do publicity basically. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, and let me tell you frankly, because my own instructor was SSB qualified and he used to be in 2-3 SSB centers. So he basically served in those 2-3 SSB centers, and being my CO and I was an adjutant, so it was very close relation between him himself, and I used to talk him frankly, sir, what are the things required, how does it differ? People say this service like this selection center is tough, this selection center is slightly easy here, more number of people pass this and that. There's so many things which comes up to our mind. So he just gave me one reply, that's a very straight and simple reply. He told me, yeah, you tell. See, we get posted from one place to another. So guys who have been qualified for this, or who are qualified instructors, they are same posted from one selection center to other selection center. So what do you think, how it will make a difference? So I was like, yeah, absolutely, this is actually the practical thing. But thing is, people make it or portray it in such a way, that person getting selected from so and so service center, has made it from so and so academy. Guys, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक दिखाने का तरीका है, ये प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट नहीं है. I myself gave my SSB गांधीनगर, मैसूर एंड देहरादून. मेरे टाइम पे लोग बोलते थे कि यार देहरादून वाराणसी से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट है. आज के टाइम पे मैं कई बार लोगों से सुनता हूँ तो लोग कहते हैं रिजेक्शन सेंटर वाराणसी. हमारे टाइम पे बोलते थे रिजेक्शन सेंटर देहरादून. Yeah, I got selected for flying branch from Dehradun. So I couldn't clear it from Mysore, but I generally hear from people that yeah, Mysore is easy. It's easier to clear from Mysore, and many number of guys, they clear their this exam, they clear their SSB from Mysore. So guys, it's not that. I personally myself have been at 2-3 places, and if I'll calculate each and everything remains same. Only thing is, it's our judgment, it's our mindset basically, because of which if we get our center, say at any other place, or I would say if you are going to Varanasi, or I would say that if you are going to Dehradun, what first thought will come to your mind? नहीं यार, ये तो बहुत टफ है यार, इससे इतने ही बंदे सिलेक्ट होते हैं यार, मेरे क्या चांस होंगे? सी ऑलरेडी आप अपना मोरल डाउन कर रहे हो, है यार, वही तुम्हें वहां करना है, वही तुम्हें यहाँ करना है. What do you think? What special and extra you are gonna do in a different SSB center? Nothing. The process remains same. Everything remains same. Only thing is your mindset changes. So why you are letting your mind, slip from that focus? Because it's just a name and just some taglines which make you lose your focus. It makes you stray away from your aim. Don't do that. जो चीज है वो ही चीज है. Whatever and how you are going to perform in one SSB center, the same way you are going to perform in other SSB center. Only thing is you need to understand how you are performing. Only thing is you need to understand where do you lack, in which process you are lacking. So how can you improve upon that, and how can you be a better person, and how can you improve those qualities which you are lacking in you if you are going for a SSB which you didn't pass, or you didn't make it in your SSB in beforehand round. So don't think on those terms too much that I am going for so and so service selection board. It's all same. There is no difference altogether. So change this mindset, and it's a myth that this selection center is tough and this selection center is easy. Guys, it's not that. All selection centers are same. They all have the same focus, same goal, and the same instructors keep getting transformed from one place to another. So in any way it will not make a difference. Only thing what will make a difference is you and your performance. So guys, before going, keep this thing out of your mind. Keep this in focus that I have to perform. Whichever center it may be, it's your performance which will make you cross that line. So guys, that's it from my side, and I'll get you some more basic and some more important facts which will help you to understand things better. So that's it guys from my side. Thank you, bye bye, and Jai Hind.